Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Blessed my people, Dancehall skilla here. Again, manners and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Caribbean people, you know? Yeah, big up to each and everyone worldwide. Alright, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, in the first video that I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that police take the person's insurance, which I assume that the person means some type of a document. The person said that the person had been given a ticket and the person asked police for the insurance. Now, my people, you might be surprised to hear some words that have been said in the video by at least one police officer. And you might be surprised to hear some words that have been said in the video by the person as well. My people, based on some words that have been said in the video, and based on the situation that I can see and also hear in the video, I would like you to tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be in the wrong when it comes down to a situation like this. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Okay, people are live, but you know I don't go live.
Listen, I'm a people.
By Princess Song here in a roadblock. Right? Just stop, man, and ask me.
Just look at it.
No, I want to see the officers in face too. They stop, man, they tell me they're conducting a scene and whatever, right? They ask me for my insurance. I hand them my insurance. Apparently, I don't have my license in my bag. So these people, them know, they give me a ticket, but they don't give me no ticket for no insurance. Right? They don't give me no ticket for no insurance. So, I tell him, since I didn't give him my insurance, how come you give me a ticket for the insurance and tell him he have a good night? I didn't give them my insurance, so how am I asking me for it? I give these people my insurance and they bring a wrong insurance and give it back to me. I tell them it's not my insurance, right? I told them it's not my insurance. And apparently they give somebody else my insurance and they drive off with it. And these officers them know, telling me, so you want a ticket for the insurance? Let me give you a ticket for your insurance. And they print that ticket here and give me and telling me, look at ticket for my insurance. I now renew my insurance some few weeks ago. And these people are telling me, I don't want no insurance for my car. Officer, I would like to have my insurance, please.
Right,
Officer, I would like to have my insurance, please. Excuse me, I would like to have my insurance, please.
I did not take any insurance.
What the insurance I hand to me just now?
Something you said I didn't talk here.
What the insurance I give me just now?
Give the police any insurance?
I give the police woman my insurance. The police woman.
They didn't, as far as I see, they didn't give shit.
I said I gave the police woman my insurance. Desha, hello, I am not cursing you. All I'm asking you for my insurance. And I'm not leaving here until I get my insurance. Desha, Darius, did I give this police officer my insurance?
Yes.
And I give this people my insurance? No. I owe them my insurance in my car. And this is Princess Song Police. I don't know who, wherever it is. I would like to have my insurance, please. No, watch. When I tell them about my insurance, they fling this ticket for me and tell me, well, yeah, I charge you for insurance ticket. When you can charge me, I'll have my insurance for my car.
Right, you'll be arrested for this.
I would like to have my insurance, please.
You did not have any insurance, that's why you almost like
So, how? No. Right? It's because I asked you, how come you give me a ticket? I asked you, how come you give me a ticket? Excuse me, I would like to have my insurance for my vehicle. I would like to have my insurance for my vehicle. Or I give it to somebody else. I would like to have my insurance. And I'm not leaving from here tonight until I get my insurance. I'm going to go in the station and get a bigger one. Or I'm going to get my insurance for me. I'm not leaving here tonight. Hello, these people are wicked people. There's wicked people.
Listen. Look at
Share the life right now, alive. These police officers take my insurance and they give it to somebody else. Insurance. listen, the call, I was very generous. I cooperated with the people them. Yeah, they charge me. What they charge me for? They charge me for inspecting ticket. My car come over 5 years. I have my papers. Right? They charge me for that. I could contest that in court. I have my papers for that. Right? I give them my insurance. They lost my insurance. I give it to somebody else. And telling me, I never get my insurance. But they're telling me, go ahead. Or you're supposed to lock me up for that. No. Or you can't fool me. I want my insurance. I'm in the car here, watch them. They're stranded this already night. Right? I want my insurance, please. You know what I say? You know what I say? They're going in the corner, the corporate and the thing. Or you give my insurance, please. I want my insurance. I'm not cursing nobody. I'm not cursing nobody. All I'm asking for, all I'm asking for is my insurance. I give him my insurance, officer. Hello. I give him my insurance. I give my insurance. They ask me for my insurance. And they give somebody else it. They give somebody else it.
I'm talking very nicely, right? You'll be able to disorderly, right? It's arrestable.
I am speaking, I'm speaking loud.
But disorderly, the way we get.
I'm not cursing nobody. I'm not cursing nobody.
Watch out,
I'm not cursing nobody. Okay, my insurance, you have to call the people that we give my insurance to.
I don't know anything we talk about.
They drive somebody, get somebody else. For what?
Right? I tell you, we'll be arrested now, right? I'm telling you, right? See,
Jesus Christ, what is this, Father?
Yeah, little training because conduct yourself.
What is this, Father?
Conduct yourself.
What is this, Jesus? Jesus, what is this? What is this, Jesus? I face in the night. And dear God, I tell you tonight, you deal with the situation now. You deal with the situation, God. You deal with the situation, God. Or you people share the life. Share the life now. And come and see what these police officers doing me for a song here. They give somebody else my insurance and drive off with them. What is that going to sue them for this? They give somebody else my insurance. Oh yeah, they give somebody else my insurance. They give somebody else my insurance and they drive off with it. They give somebody else my insurance and they drive off with it. Oh yeah.
Stop it right there, some people. Now, I'm going to say some words, and let me try and choose my words then carefully because I don't want anyone to get the wrong idea from me. See me? I am a law-abiding citizen. I respect the rules and the laws of my country or any country that I'm in. So let me make sure I talk carefully. See? And one of the best advice that I can give when it comes down to that type of situation is that the person should make a complaint or make a report to the necessary authority when it comes down to a situation like that, or based on some words that the person said in the video. I think it is okay for a person to ask police questions or complain to the police and say, listen, that not my because, you know, people can make mistakes. Police officers can make mistakes as well too. You see what I say? But when you say certain words to them, please try and be on the safe side. You know, say certain words carefully because you hear some words that have been said in the video by at least one police officer. So say your words carefully. You see what I say? However, when it comes down to a situation, then my best advice is that the person should make a complaint or make complaints to the necessary authority pertaining to that situation. You see? Yeah, you have good and you have bad people. You have good and you have bad police officers. There are some persons who are easier to deal with than some. You understand me? So, my people, let me know anything about that situation there. See, that's the best advice we can give to that when it comes down to that situation there. Alright, if you agree with what I said, let me know in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, on to another video, my people. I'm going to present a video to you that I've recorded in Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a type of reptile in the middle of a road that's located within the country of Jamaica. Let's take a look at it. You see? Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Alright, so there you have it. The video right there, so. Look carefully. Watch it. See? It look like a good size one too. Hey, let me tell you something. One of the reasons why watch her. Look on this, look there. Cause you know, watch her. Watch you step them. Watch her. Yo. Yeah, hear me, my people. Let me make sure I say this to each and everyone. Right? Because I hope so that video can bring some form of awareness, you know. And for some reason, I noticed me I see quite a number of videos about crocodile sightings and reptile sightings and so forth. So me I said that video they are one of them. But listen what me I said to you today, see? You see, when it comes down to those type of creatures or animals, please do be very careful. You understand me? Yeah, be on your alert. Make sure you take notes of your surrounding, because them the type of animal there, yeah, they can be dangerous. Alright? Yes! If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person did certain things to a type of machine. Yeah, you know the type of machine that with the numbers, then the panel you can push in a card and so forth, and then certain things happen. Look at the video for yourself, my people, because what this person had done was wrong. What that person had done was totally wrong. You see me I say? Look at what the person did to the machine. I mean, the person pushed at least one object in a part of the machine. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Look, you see that? Look here. Watch out. Look at the person, look at the object. Eh? Look there, look there. What the person I try to forget now? Look at that. And when we think the person did done, you know, no, look again, look at. Eh? You see the foolishness? You see them things yeah, and them things yeah, make some people like myself think twice, sometimes think certain ways when it comes down to using certain machines like that they're at certain positions and certain locations. You understand me? Because look at what the person do to the machine. Look what the person do to that machine. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.